Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Marvel Snap. So let's get started. First, launch the Marvel Snap game. Tap on the settings option from the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and find the player name section. Here, tap on your current name on Marvel Snap. Clear the current name and enter the new name that you prefer. Once you have entered your new name, tap on the return button. Then, tap on the confirm button to save your changes. And this is how you can change name on Marvel Snap. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.